There will be one moment in human history where we transition from a species that thinks we're alone to being able to say there is independent life out there that comes from an independent tree of life, and we are no longer alone.
Where do we come from? How did life begin? And what lies beyond our horizon? To find answers, we reach for the stars.
So this is a historic milestone, I'm bound to say this evening, the 60th anniversary of this distinguished series of lectures.
The enthusiasm that we have to push the technology also pushes technology back into society for the benefit of everyone. If life is rare, then the distance between us and the next one is going to be very, very far, and we'll be talking to them in the distant past, but it'll be messages back and forward. If it's very common, maybe that's a different story.